Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we are going to learn how you can upload a quiz on Google Classroom. If you are a teacher and you are struggling, you are at the right place. So without wasting any time, let's just get started. First of all, you need to open up the Google Classroom and you need to select the class in which you are going to upload the quiz. Over here you can see at the bottom the second option, classwork. You need to go over there and then you need to tap on the plus icon, which means create. Now you can see over here when you go over there are so many options. You need to select the option second, quiz, which you are going to create. There are many other options as well, like assignment, question, material, reuse, post. We will see these things later. Right now we are going to create the quiz. So after going to this option, clicking on it, this page will appear in of you if you're using the mobile phone. Now after coming over here, you have to add the assignment title, which is required. I'll add it later. Then you have to add the description, whatever the quiz is about or whatever instructions you're going to give to the students, you have to write them down over here. Then you need to add the blank quiz over here. It's already given the attachment. You cannot add a blank quiz over here like this. You need to create on Google Docs. Okay, so Google Forms you can use to make the quiz, and then you need to add that as an attachment. So let's see how we can do that. Now the option that was already here, the blank quiz, you have to click on that and it will redirect you directly on the Google Docs or Google Forms where you can create your quiz. As you can see, this page has been loaded and it is in front of you. What you can do is you have to write down the title, the description of the form or quiz that you're going to create. I'm going to write over here monthly quiz. You can write whatever your topic is. I'm just giving an example over here. Now after that, how can you add questions or options and how you can mark the correct options and what is the system of scoring, I will show you all in this video. Just keep watching with me. After writing your title, description, all the things, you need to come down over here where it is written untitled question. You need to click over here and the cursor will appear and then you can write whatever the question is. I am writing over here a very simple question. Which of the following is a fruit? Although it is not that level, but I am just giving an example. Whatever your question, you can write it over there. Okay, and also you have the options over here to make it bold, italic, underline. I am making it bold as this is a question. After that, I will come down and select on the option 1. Since it is a multiple choice question, so I will add 4 options. You can add as many as you want. Writing some options over here for the students to select. First one, mango, which is the correct answer. Cat. Then option 3 I will add over here, potato, and then I will add option 4. So you need to add option if you want to already give the option to the students, or you can select add other, which means you will not give the option to the students. There will be just a blank line over there and the students will write their own answer. You can see there are so many other options as well. If you want to ask any other type of question like short answer, paragraph, check boxes, drop down, and so many other things, right? So right now we are making a quiz, so it will be a multiple choice questions. Okay, after that, now I have added over here 4 options. Then you can, if you want to add more, it's up to you. Then if it is mandatory, like you want the students to attempt this question and the student cannot move forward to the other question without marking it, then you need to check on this required button. After that, as you can see at the left side, there is this checkbox like tick over here, tick mark. You need to go over there, which means you will write the correct answer. You will choose the correct answer and students can see there whether the option was correct or not that they had selected. After going over there, I have selected the option mango, which was the correct answer, and also I have added points over here. If you want to add points, is it graded or not, up to you. So if you want to give the students the scores on this answer, you can select this option and then you can add the points as many as you want. It can be 1 point. And again, if you want to give the students feedback, it will be a great idea. Students will get happy, or they can get excited about it. For incorrect answers, I am writing a very sad face over here, and for the correct answers, I am giving it like a good job sign, right? Okay, after this first question is done. Now you have to select save over here, right? And for that you need to click on the done button. Now if you want to add another question, you have to see over here. After saving the previous one, you can see at the bottom there is this plus mark. Again, you need to click on that to add another question. After that, I have written the new question. Again, it's just an example. What is a leap year? Now I will write down the options over here, just like I did in the previous question. Add options one by one and then select the correct answer and give the points, and click on the required button if you want the students to attempt the question. Now I will again add the feedback for the correct and incorrect answers along with the points of the answer. After that, if you want to publish this form now and you need to go back to the classroom to upload it, you need to select this triangle sign over here. You can see at the top, the second last option from the right side, and it will mean that it is going to be published, and you can select the settings that who can access this form. And then you can see this attachment sign over here, which means you can copy the link of this form and then you can paste as an attachment. Then again, you can see the settings, or you can directly copy the link of this form from this icon where it was published, and then you can select save and then click on done. Now you have to go back to the classroom and you have to select add attachment from here and then add link. Now the link that you pasted from the Google Forms, you have to paste over here, and then the upper one option, you can simply delete that. Okay, then again, points. It was of 2 questions and 5 points each, so it will be total of 10 points. I am writing over here 10. Then you can select the due date or the time. For example, if you're giving the students just 1 hour time and you're posting it in the class, you can select the time or the date, and you can select the option of close submissions after due date. It depends on you if you want to keep accepting the responses after the due date, or it will be written as late submission. Okay, then again save, and assignment title I'm going to write over here, and then I will select assign on the top right corner. Now this has been published and assigned to the students as the quiz. Now you can see by clicking on the show button, and then there was no student added in this class as I was just making this for the video. You can see instructions are already given. Attachment is over there. If you want to add in class comments, you can add over there for the whole class to see or read with this assignment. Now when you will click on this link, you will again redirect it to that quiz, and this is how it will show to your students. Okay, you need to first select your email which each student will be having. After clicking on that yes, I am using this email, again the students will start answering the questions. This is how it will appear in front of. After submitting their answer, they can check their responses as well, since we have already added the correct answers and the feedback. Okay, now they have submitted, and then they can check their score, that whether their answer was correct or not, along with the feedback. So I hope you have liked this video, and if there is any misunderstanding or anything you did not understand, please write down in the comments, and share this video with your other fellows. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and share it with others. Do give your feedback in the comment section. Till then, Allah Hafiz.